This is the VOODOO hitch that I'm going to be describing, and we'll be using the VOODOO hitch when using the pterodactyl. And in this scenario, this point will be at the top of the pterodactyl, and at this point it'll be down to an anchor point. So starting the VOODOO hitch, we're going to start with the figure 8 on a bite. So one side, your figure 8 on a bite will be attached to, again, this is the top of the pterodactyl. And now you will run your line to your anchor point. And already on this anchor we have a basket scenario, but you could also do a wrap 3 pull 2 with the carabiner. So we've now ran our line, and now we're going to take the end of the rope, and you can drop your rope. We're about a third up the top of the anchor point. And on this, we're going to do a butterfly. So we have our butterfly. And now the end of the rope that you had dropped previously, the distance, you'll want to go just past your butterfly, and this is where we'll tie another figure 8 on a bite. Yeah, it might be one of my words. No. Okay. So we have these 2 knots set up, and now we have our carabiners. So you'll attach one carabiner onto your figure 8 on a bite, and one carabiner onto your butterfly. And now, so just to keep your knots straight, this is the end of the rope on the top of the pterodactyl with your butterfly. You're going to be taking this rope, so just distal to your butterfly, and you'll be clipping this carabiner into it. And then we'll still be going past where you just did that, and you'll be pulling this rope and attaching it to this carabiner. And now you pull to tighten. And that's your VOODOO hitch.
VOODOO.